Dear students, my name is Ainur Yesbolova and I'm a PhD in Economics, Associate Professor of Management Marketing Department of im.Ауезова, South Kazakhstan University, and discipline today is marketing research, and one of theme of this discipline we learned today deeply, and here just report preparation, just a preparation and presentation, and our plan will be consist of two questions: is a preparation and presentation process and report preparation. And here just I would like to say that importance of preparing and presenting reports is effectively, and purpose of this to communicate research findings clearly and concisely to the intent audience. And here just a type of report. We can see that some academic report, business report, and technical reports. And what it means academic report, it's a research paper, thesis, and dissertations. And business report, it means just annual report, market analysis. Technical reports, it's the scientific findings, engineering studies, and technical documentation. And here just we can see that some report preparation process, how its processes work, and here just planning is defined just objectives and audience. Research is a gather and analyze data. Drafting is a write the initial report, and refine just content and structure. And editing is correct language and formatting errors. And here just defining objective and audience. Objectives clearly just outline the purpose of the report, and audience is identify who will read the report and tailor content accordingly. And here just gathering data is a methods, surveys, interviews, observation, literature review, and sources is primary and secondary data. And here just organizing data, we can see that techniques group similar data points, use chart, graphs, and tables for clarity, and condense data into key findings. Report structure is a typical just sections is a title page, abstract, introduction, methodology, result, discussion, conclusion, recommendation, and reference and appendices. It depends on type of reports. You can just use appendices and references, but all that other aspect is useful in preparation your report. And here just title page, you can see that report title, author, data, just information about author. Abstract, you can just a brief summary of the report. And introduction, just a background, objectives, and scope. Methodology, you can use its research methods and procedures. Usually you can use its all methods which you use in process for reporting. And here just results, finding from the research, and discussion is interpretation of results, and conclusion, summary of findings and implications. And recommendation is just suggest actions based on the research, and references, cited sources, and the last one is appendices, supplementary material. And here just writing the introduction sets the stage for the report. Its components, it's a background information, research questions, and objectives and scope. And here just describing the methodology is explain how the research was conducted, and components is research design, data collection methods, sampling techniques, and analysis procedures. And presenting results, its purpose clearly communicate research findings. Techniques is use visual aids like a chart and graphs, present data logically, and highlight key points. And here just interpreting results in the discussion. Here just purpose provide meaning and just context to the results. And components, it will be just compare findings with previous research, discuss the implication, and identify limitations. And here just crafting the conclusion, its purpose summarize the main findings and their significance. And components, it's recap just key points, states the importance of the research, and suggests future research directions. And making recommendation is provide actionable suggestion based just on findings. And components, it's a clear, practical, and justify just recommendation. Here just reference and citation, we can see that credit original sources and avoid plagiarism, and style APA, MLA, Chicago, Harvard, and components in text, citation, and a reference list. And using appendices just include supplementary information and examples, raw data, detailed calculation, additional graphs. And here just revising the draft, its purpose is improved content and structure, and peer reviews, self-assessment, feedback, incorporation. Just editing and just a proofreading. Its purpose: correct languages, grammar, and formatting errors. And techniques is spell checkers, grammar tools, manual reviews. And formatting the report is a purpose to ensure readability. And here just professionalism, and components is a consistent font, heading, spacing, and alignment. And here just visual aids in reports is types is charts, graphs, tables, images, and diagrams. But you can just the purpose of this visual aids in reports is enhance understanding and retention. And here just effective presentation techniques is purpose: clearly convey just information to an audience. Components is a structure, clarity, and engagement. And here just planning the presentation is a define objective, understand the audience, outline key points. If you consider it deeply, it's a define objective, so you know what you want to achieve. Understand the audience, it means it's a tailor the content to their needs. And outline key points, it means just structure the presentation logically. And creating visual slides, it's tips: use bullet just points, limit text, include visuals, ensure readability. And here just purpose of creating visual slides, it's support and enhance verbal communication. And here just practicing the presentation is a purpose is build confidence and refine delivery. And techniques for practicing the presentation is rehearse multiple times, get feedback, and time your presentation. Engaging the audience is ask questions, encourage participants, use just anecdotes, maintain eye contact. And here just engaging this audience and handling Q&A session. It's address audience question and clarify doubts. And tips: be prepared, listen carefully, stay calm, provide concise just answers. And using technology in presentation, it's a tool is PowerPoint, Keynote, Prezi, interactive whiteboards. And the tips is ensure technical readiness and have backups. Just use multimedia effectively. And here just you can see that recap, summarize key points, restate the importance, and provide closing remarks. And call to action is encourage the audience to act on the information presented. And here just you can see this example and case studies. Is the purpose of examples and case studies illustrate report and presentation techniques with real world examples. And examples is effective business report, impactful academic presentation. And questions and discussions is the purpose of this aspect is engage with the audience and address any remaining questions. Format is the open floor for question and interactive discussion. And here just you can see that just conclusion. But before conclusion, I would like to say that some points that's the main engaging just about the plagiarism. You can see that you don't need to use its material of other person, because for example, you can see that in people who participate in your, for example, presentation or report, you can be there and he can just say, this is my materials. I think it's not good. That's why please don't use another materials. And here just about this plagiarism, you should just check all the report documents. And here just engaging the audience, I would like to say that ask questions, encourage participation, and use anecdotes and maintain eye contact. I think that's the main part of this should be just maintain eye contact, because you can just have some communication with audience, and You can see that some stories from your life, own experience, say, or just show by photos. I mean, just a PowerPoint, use it. I think it will be more interesting, and you have just and also please maintain eye contact. It's very important and useful in process of your preparation, just your presentation. And here just I would like to say that's the main aspect of this. And conclusion, I would like to conclude that the recommendation on preparing and presentation just report effectively is clearly defines the purpose of the report, gather relevant data from credible sources, and use a consistent just citation style. This citation style shows it's here. Just summarize the key points of report and ensure slides are not just text heavy. Use bullet just points and visuals. Thank you for your attention.